Hello dear friends and students, welcome to Fine Arts and Projects. Friends, I hope आप सभी ठीक ही होंगे. So let's come to the point. Today we are going to make a project on plant cell. So in this video I am going to tell you how can you make this project at your home. 1 minute before starting the video, I would like to say to these audience which are new at this channel, I am requesting to new audience which are new, so please subscribe this channel right now so that you can get all the notifications and videos on time. So thank you for your patience. So let's start this video right now.